A chemistry lab is a fascinating place. There is so much of action, so many reactions take place there, and there is a great variety in the reactions that take place. First, let us understand what is a chemical reaction. When a certain substance you start with has turned into a new substance, we say a chemical change has taken place or a chemical reaction has taken place. It could be one substance or one or more substances reacting with one another in certain conditions to produce new substances which are called as the products. We can classify reactions as combination reactions, decomposition reactions, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and oxidation reduction reactions. Let us try out some of these experiments and observe the experiments being conducted very carefully, and you can do the same in your laboratory. Let's begin with the simplest experiment. That's a combination one. Now, what is the apparatus I require for this combination reaction? I'm going to show you a combination reaction in which a magnesium ribbon is going to combine with oxygen of the air. For this, I have a magnesium ribbon. This is a gas jar with a lid, a spirit lamp, and the experiment is pretty simple. Now let me heat the magnesium ribbon to its ignition temperature. I am holding it in the flame of a spirit lamp. If you have a gas burner, it will be faster. I am taking the magnesium ribbon. It's burning with a white flame, dazzling white flame. I hold it inside the gas jar. It continues to burn. Magnesium combines with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Magnesium being a metal, its oxide is going to be basic in nature. And you know, bases turn red litmus blue. Shall we try out that? I'll pour some water into the gas jar. Magnesium oxide will dissolve in water to form magnesium hydroxide. And now I'll put the litmus paper. I've taken the red litmus paper. I introduce it inside. Here you can find the red litmus paper is turning blue. Yes, I can see it has turned blue. I'll show it to you, it will be clearer. You can see the red litmus paper has turned blue. I started with this litmus paper. I put it inside the gas jar which had magnesium oxide dissolving in water to form magnesium hydroxide, and the paper turned blue in color, which shows the oxide of magnesium is basic in nature. Now let's write an equation. Here is the element magnesium, a metal, combining with oxygen of the air to form magnesium oxide, and you got a white powder and bright light when you saw magnesium burning. And we introduced into it a red litmus paper and we saw it turned blue in color, telling us that the oxide of magnesium is basic in nature. Here's another element, sulfur, a non-metal, combining with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide, and this is acidic in nature. Well, these were elements combining with each other, magnesium with oxygen, sulfur with oxygen. Here I have an example of a compound reacting with another compound. Calcium oxide, a solid, combines with carbon dioxide, a gas, to give you calcium carbonate. This is also an example of a combination reaction.